Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a Payoneer business account using your LLC. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, or run an online business, setting up a Payoneer account under your LLC can help you receive international payments easily and professionally. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to payoneer.com. On the home page, click on Register or Sign Up. This will take you to the registration form. Now choose Business Account because you're registering with an LLC, not as an individual freelancer. You'll be asked to enter your legal business name exactly as it appears in your LLC registration documents. Make sure this matches your official formation papers to avoid any verification issues later. Next, you'll enter your business details. That includes your country of registration, business address, and contact information. Again, accuracy is key here. If your LLC address is different from your personal one, be sure to input the business address. Then you'll be prompted to provide your personal information, your full name, date of birth, and a government-issued ID. Even though it's a business account, Payoneer still needs to verify the identity of the person managing the account. Now it's time to create your login credentials. Enter your email, choose a secure password, and set up a security question. Make sure your email is active and that you have access to it, because Payoneer will use it to send you confirmation links and important updates. After that, you'll need to add your bank details. If your LLC has a separate business bank account, which it should, enter those details here. This is the account where Payoneer will send your funds. If you're using a US-based LLC and you have a US bank account, this is where you'll input your routing and account number. Once you've filled out all the required information, review everything carefully. Double-check the spelling of your business name, the address, and your ID details. Then click Submit. Now Payoneer will begin the verification process. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. You may be asked to upload supporting documents like your LLC certificate, operating agreement, or proof of address. If they do request anything, you'll get an email with instructions. Make sure the documents you upload are clear and match the details you submitted in your application. For example, if your business address on Payoneer doesn't match the one on your LLC paperwork, they may reject it or ask for clarification. Once everything is verified, you'll receive a confirmation email that your Payoneer business account is active. From there, you can start receiving payments from clients, marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Amazon, or direct international bank transfers. And that's it! Your Payoneer business account is now ready to go. If you found this video helpful, subscribe the channel for more videos.